to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to change this background and replace it with this one I'm using currently. This video is what a lot of people have been asking me. How are you able to use a video to replace your background? How are you able to use a video to replace your background? And that is what I'm going to be showing you right now. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel and stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you are my old subscriber, I give you a thumbs up and I thank you for always sticking to my video and always watching my video to see what you can get, one or two things that you can get from my video, and I'm grateful for that. Let's dive into the video right now. Okay guys, and I'm opening my Google. I open my Google Chrome and I type pixel.com. As you can see, pixel.com, tell it to enter and it will bring you to this place. So any type of video you want to use, you type it. If I want it to come as a picture, I will click on picture, but I want it to be a video, so I'm going to click on video. Then, like as I am here, when it's open, it's because I have already signed up. So if you are a newcomer or if you are using this website for the first time, what you need is to, what you're supposed to do is to sign up and log in. Like me now, see my symbol, I've already, signed up. So when you open it, you change it to video if it is in photo, or if it is in photo, you change it to video. So I've changed it to video because I want to generate a video. Then I will tell it to, I will type and say I want a UKBZ area. UKBZ area. Then I will tell it to search. So it does bring out a UKBZ area for me, and look at how busy this place are. Look at how busy this place are. Look at how busy this place are. So I'm going to choose one of this place. Like if you point it, you will see that people are walking around. People are walking around. So which of the video do you want? Like I tell it to generate a UKBZ area. Do I want this one? Or do I want this one? Or do I want this one? See how people are walking around on this one? Or do I want this? So I think I should choose this one that people are walking so fast, and or this one that people are, there is only car. So there is a lot of places that I can choose from this video. And remember, if it is a YouTube video you want to use it and make, no YouTube come in landscape, so you have to look for a video that is in landscape. If it is Facebook or TikTok, you have to look for a picture that comes in portrait. So I'm going to take a picture that comes in landscape. So I want to choose this one. I choose this and I tell it to, I tell it to download. So it's downloading here. Then I'm going to, it's still downloading, or I will choose this, or I will choose this, I will choose, okay, it has finished downloading. So I'm going to close this because it have already downloaded. Let me go and check it in my videos if it is there. Okay, in my download, I need to use my download. Okay, see it here and see another one here. So it's two that I downloaded. See the particular one I downloaded here. So I'm going to CapCut now. this is my capcut, then new object, new project, then come to import, come here. I open it. So this is the background video. I bring it down here. Let it play. This is the background video that we are supposed to use, and this background video is not supposed to have volume. So I come here, I remove the volume. Let's play it and see. So I've removed the volume. Then I go back. Go back again on import. See import here. Then I will go to my video and look for the video I did that I want to remove background with. This is the video. Open. Then I bring it there. So this is laptop. If it is phone, you will see overlay and you will bring this video down. But this is laptop. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this video up. Then this one will be down, as you can see. Then my video, like this video now, the main video that I want to remove background is longer than the background I want to use. So I'm going to trim it. So I highlight this. I will come to this place and click on split. I've split it. Then I will delete it. I press delete on my keyboard or come here and delete it. Then go back here. Click on this video. Then come to cut out. Here, I'm going to show you how I change my background from this I'm using to this video that you see here.